Welcome to Tufumbe show ku Spark TV. Bampita Dorina Sasira. Eranga the show is brought to you by Chico. Muchuzi mix this time ngena bajukiza no bale se chirunge chipya bachita Chico pilau masala. Bobo yaga fumba pilau oba omuchere ngagunya bulungi okitegera. Oba mbo obutungulu bukusiriddeko nenga togala kawo wako ko obutungulu kabere mugwegula Chico pilau masala ogenda kumwagala nnyo ayagala okusuubula mbajjukiza mugende mu kikuubo oba bw'obanga toyagala kusuubuza ng'olina akaduuka wakadaala kogula Chico pilau masala. Bannange sagala barisaayo akasana kangi wabweru bannange hydrate munye ku mazzi munywa amazzi ngena kusiba nga nkibagamba so sagala barisaayo ndisaidize ekiwatule olwaleero era buli wendaba nga ndi outside nakye mbankuleetedde tubaletera abantu bemumanyi bemutabanyi ba professionals abamu nga bali waka waabwe tujja ne tubakyalirako mumanyi engeri gye tukikola mukasavu kanyama wano ku Tufumbe show. Kakati this beautiful lady namulabye ku TikTok nengamba madam tukwetaaga olwaleero nagamba it's okay Doreen njaga nnyo okuyigiriza abantu naddala abakyala ne mugatina Tufumbe show ku Spark TV so sagala barisayo kamuyite. I'm looking for someone called Murungi. Nomanya the way we greet ourselves. Nikije ninga ndije sagala today naina sokobuze ku bantu baffe
abatulaba tubaniriza nnyo ku Spark TV mu program ya Tufumbe amanya n'eddoboozi nga bwe batugambye. Murungi Dorothy, a baker, a professional baker but a passionate one from the Indulge Cake Haven, Uganda. Leero tugenda bayigiriza engeri gy'okukola mu ka traditional fruit cake nga bw'atogedde. Yes, so we are very happy to host you and we hope you can teach us and we can teach you something.
Oh yes, yes. Kakati passion y'okufumba olwatumpa.
I can cook but I love baking. I have the passion for strictly baking. So here we only do baking, pastries, desserts. But why I love baking is because we get to create very beautiful things in the bakery. The beautiful cakes, the beautiful decorations, that's the beauty about it.
Wayiga ng'olabani mami, jajja, daddy.
Mommy, my mother left me with a cookbook. Oh, yes, but surprisingly I've not been with it. So recently I went back to the village and picked up a cookbook. So,
really? Ngateka mu recipes nagamba kati boga nafumba muchere wetaga kino na
yeah. So now that's the passion, but she was a very good cook. Then we used to make these village cakes. But I'm an accountant
by profession. Accountant. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So kati njaga kumanya ndabe wana like oyinawo essomero balita
Indulge Baking Academy.
Okay. Okusinga ndabe una abasajja okusinga ate ennaku zino ndaba nnyo abasajja abagala nnyo okubakinga abali nnyo mu mu cookery situations ezo lwaki what's wrong like
because they have the energy to mix. Then they are good people to work with. Me actually thrive in situations where the men are there, they are a bit calm. So it's not like cooking and baking is only for the ladies.
Even men.
Men, yes, and they're very good decorators. So very good.
Kati so which is a total baking. In case I want to do like a baking course or something. Like kale, let me say I've graduated. So which is a tokola. Kwa ngabasinga bakola nyenso bi.
One abantu kuyiga nzendabye okuyiga n'odda waka n'otuula. This is a skill. Yes, oli muyiga skill. So kiringo yiga emotoka. Ogenda yiga emotoka omala otuule. Bw'ogigula era ojja kuddayo oyige. Like it's hands on. Then number two is what we've seen is when people bake and already they have the money to buy the things. Ajja kugula buli kimu like ajja kugenda downtown agule and I was also a victim of that. And you're wasting money. I think it's better when you buy things slowly because you're going to get the money katugeze oyina millions abiri ogende oziteke mu business in a funny way.
Yeah.
Kwata ko butono gambe nze kamposting enfunye order so gula ko byoyagala ko say order yoka. Yeah, I don't believe in people buying things. That's why people think baking is expensive. It's not hard.
Tulokola abantu ku TikTok awo cake ne mujireta ngemenyese nga I wanted to say happy birthday Doreen nga happy birthday Doreen ekigambo sikiraba
ekisokera ddala bwoba okola cake someone will tell you it's going to, let's say, nearby.
Katutuli chiwatu
katugeze ekisasi.
Okay.
Kati bw'ogimuwa yajja gikwata gitwale entebe. You get, like, you don't know where they're checking their cakes. Your job stops here. So as you make your cakes, don't forget to do the basics. Pack your cake well, put the sticks, or just like they are not for decoration. They are to keep, they are to keep the cake.
Okay.
They are to keep the cake
intact.
Decoration. What has helped us here is that I'm a perfectionist. Okay. So when you're in a baking business, you have to have that touch of being a perfectionist.
So riba kwa design nga tojisobola wakiri mugambe sigenda kisobola
okitenga bukyali bweba Spiderman abere Spiderman omuntu saba Spiderman nga bakoye. So
I know. So, Spiderman nga bali awo. Yes.
If someone has given you a cake, bwato bwajagala tomu stressing la konze me I had a problem why I would want people to do things my way. You'd bring a cake be like you buy fruit cake, it's nice just because I like it.
Bali bakunyazeeko ne batakusasula.
No, you guys have a policy. I think we have the best clients here. The best.
Really?
I've not come out to even complain. Our people pay half or even full. We don't have.
But the best thing to do kwewalebyo so kosasule half.
You deposit so the person can start on the work.
Then half before delivery. See what you know kubera.
Yes, and the problem is the person you say oh no, she has put the order.
I know.
There are the people who don't take that because tekubera ko sense of urgency since you've not put in the money.
Yes.
So we usually say you first deposit.
Okay.
Personally, at Indulge, you have an order, a policy. You deposit, then we make. But people usually pay. Once we've delivered your cake and it's the one, you pay. Even if you don't pay immediately, but they usually come. We have nice cars.
Oh, kale. Amina. So now, njaga tugende munda, agenda tulaga step ngeje tuchikola mujukira tukola step by step ku Tufumbe show wano ku Spark TV. So tuline mulungi tugenda kuyingira wano munda muno. Tufumbe tugenda kola cake, right? Traditional cake.
Fruit cake. Zinezedda. Unatayali wonze nali.
Police. Mulungi, how old I am. Sitana baga.
So lelo tugenda kwetaaga kansokene kino fena kyetumanyi. This is baking flour. You can use any flour of your choice. Sagala to be complicating ennyo. Njagala ozukke nawe osobole okwekolera ka cake kano at the comfort of your home. Then tugenda kwetaaga amagi ogalaba gali 5. We shall also need sugar, which we measured. We shall tell you along the way how many grams that you need of this. This is Prestige of your choice. Okay, this is butter of your choice. Osobola okukozesa yonna gy'ofuna. Prestige, Selecta, yonna gy'oba ofunye. Buno babuyita raisins. I don't know what they call them in Uganda, but they are raisins. They're the fruits that we put in the cake. Buno bongeramu flavor mu cake, which makes it a little bit different from the other flavors that you will always taste out there. Then this is grated lemon. Okwata just lemon, not grating. Yeah. Spices of your choice, but not any other spices. We shall need mixed spices. Kano kali buliwa mu supermarket. Eneja kureducingako ku smell ya maji ate tuwene flavor mu cake yaffe. Then we shall need caramel. This is for the color. This is basically melted sugar. In baking terms, we call it caramel. Then in here, we have the lemon juice. This lemon juice helps on reducing the smell of the eggs in the cake. It also balances all the ingredients so that you will not feel like the eggs are more, the sugar is more, you know. For the start, we are going to first beat our butter and sugar. This is our butter, any butter of your choice, like we said. Please take your measurements seriously if you want to make sure this cake comes out the way you will see it in this video, okay? So next we are going to put our sugar in there, and then we shall take our mixer, but tofayo bw'oba tolina mixer osobola okukozesa omulawo. So we're going to take this into our mixer. So as you beat, please make sure you keep scraping your pan so that buno obuba busigadde in the sides obuteeka makati. We want to make sure everything is beaten until it's light. So we proceed to beat. As we wait. So as we can all see, our butter is ready. here. I think if you remember, our Prestige was yellow, but now it's white. This is where we need your butter to be. This is exactly how it should look like. So after that, this actually etuyambako okufuula keki yaffe ennenemuko ate ebeera ng'egonda. Si zino keki zedda already nagambe zedda, but zino okuba nga zigonda. So after that stage we're going to add our eggs, but the beautiful part about this is that when you're adding the eggs, it's bit by bit. You don't add all of them at once. So we're going to add like 2 or 3 for the start, and we continue to beat our mixture. We're going to add our remaining eggs and beat until the mixture looks like spoiled milk. Osobola okwongera n'oteekamu ebirungo wano mu mixer yo, but me I usually prefer if you mix the remaining part with your hand. Okay? Omulawo kati wano we gujjira. Otwala eno mixture nga bw'ogiraba erina okuba nga amata amafu. So tugende kati twongeremu ebirala tukoleka cake kafa kalungi ate akawombe nnyo. So we're going to add our vanilla, and we shall need only 1 tablespoon of vanilla here, just like that. Nga bwe twayogedde mu kutandika, we need to take our measurements seriously. You will try it at home and say cake teyavuddeyo nga bwe nagirabye. So bwebanga 1 tablespoon, kebere 1 tablespoon. If it's 1 gram, let it be 1 gram. Bwe tumaliriza tugenda teekamu some caramel. Oh, this is a bit sticky. So we continue mixing. Bwe watera okugenda mu mbaga zino, weddings, introductions, zino keke ziri common ennyo because ziraawo tezitera kwonooneka mangu. Osobola ogifuna ku this year ate ne next year ebeerewo. Kati bwe tumaliza oteekamu caramel yaffe nga bw'ogirabye, tugenda ku step endala. Step endala yakuteekamu our dry ingredients. Dry ingredients zaffe ziriwa wano. Ebeera flour, then tuteekamu spices zaffe nga bwe twazibalaze. Then we're going to kusengejja our dry ingredients. Tomala gaziteekamu because even the spices usually have those dry particles. So you have to kusengeja in case there is anything in the flour. Then also it gives you that nice moist cake if you kusengeja your cake. Okay? While you're sieving that, you're going to go in with your spices. Twagambye tukozesa nutmeg ne mixed spices. Zoka. Tetwagala kulya cake owiremu ate ewunya. So many spices. Those are the only spices we put in our fruit cake. Fruit cake tugiyita cake y'ebibala in Uganda. So today that's what we are making, and I hope you're enjoying the process. So this is where we are. We've added our dry ingredients wano wetutuuse. Bw'oba mixing a cake yonna gy'oba okola, you have to fold in. You don't just, you have to fold in. Nga bwe nkakola bwe nti. This is what you do when you're baking. Like that. Tetwagala reason yonna nti nakoze cake yange negaana ovaayo nga bwe nagirabye. Ate n'ekirala bwe tuba tumixinga cake zaffe, we don't overmix. Perfect. So after, we're going to add our preservative. A preservative of your choice. Just like that. And also we're going to add lemon juice. Eno gye twagambye egenda balansinga buli kimu ekirimu. So tutolya cake n'owulira nga ewunya eggs oba sukaali. It will be a balanced fruit cake. So we continue to mix. Just like that. You can continue to scrape off any flour that you see in the side. So after that, we're going to go in with our raisins. Oh no, we failed to find the name in Uganda. For you to use them, they're supposed to be soaked. Okay? What you're gonna be soaking in any preservative, you can actually first boil them in some water because buba bukaluba bwe bubeera fresh bubeera bukaluba. After soaking them, it makes them so soft. Okay, so we go in and mix. We fold in, okay? Ready to so wunya bulungi. And we are about to get done with our process. Don't overmix. You get a fresh lemon and just grate it. No gatamu. And you continue to mix. Tugenda kwata eno mixture tugiwe muno baking pan yaffe. Osobola fumbira mu sepiki banange tewemenya toyina baking pan. Zino ziri buli wamu wato girina kwata sepiki yo. Oteke mu mixture. We don't want you to fail to eat fruit cake just because toyina baking pan. Just like that. You can continue to scrape this off. You people, this smells so amazing. I would love that you try this and let us know. So we do this so that your cake can have such a level. So kati tugenda bakinga mu oven yaffe. Bw'oba toyina oven osobola bakinga bino ebintu ku sigiri. Oven yaffe already ebadde preheatinga, tosobola kufumba cake nga topreheatinze oven. So ekiteekamu nga bw'otulaba ojagirekamu for about an hour. That's when we shall check on it.
Tugenda kuwumulamu katono nnyo tukomewo tulabe fruit cake yaffe. Jikati mukola step by step kasubire steps zakozesa n'ebirungo byakozesa obadde nga obiraba ng'ate nga weetegereza. Tulomba teerawo ingredients sobeera mumbuuze nga tetubirabye mulimba mubiraba mu ingredients zibeeraawo mubeere nga mubiwandiika mukitegedde. Otherwise let's go for a break. Temuvaawo. Stay here on Tufumbe Show ku Spark TV. Alright, welcome back from the show break. Tuchali fena wado ku Tufumbe Show Spark TV. Brought by Chico Mchizi Mix. Eranga wampita Doreen na Sasira. Ndisaidiza chiwatule. Eranga chikoba chita The Indulge Cake Haven UG. So murunji alimutuyigiriza cake zinomboze bakolangedda traditional cake. Nawe aliye waka osobola jikola. Gambe mbuleta gena decoratinga ku robudde. But at that time neka start tukolako chiri. Chetwagalira ddala so tuli ku last steps oba steps esembere ddala tugenda ku moment of truth. Hey, why not? So temuvaawo tugende maaso ne mulungi.
After about an hour cake yaffe yidde.
Okay.
Cake yaffe ya fruit cake. Si buli cake eno wano tugikwata ng'ekirabo. It's our best selling.
Oh, the traditional
fruit cake.
Fruit cake.
Bangambye baziyita cake z'ebibala.
Bebaga mu Luganda cake z'ebibala.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
traditional.
Twagiwadde obudde butonotono so ate kuulinge. Okay? Banange tebulya cake ezokya. So twagiwaddemu obudde butono ekuulinge.
Abashaga tulye cake ng'eyokya ekibaawo.
It's like sweet potatoes, it will give you gas in the stomach.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, but that's my
I swear. Gas in the stomach. But so bweba ng'ekyayokya eba ewooma nnyo. Nga bw'ogiraba.
Yes.
When I'm working in a bakery, okukola mu bakery kinjigiriza nti olina okubeera musanyufu all the time.
Exactly.
Yeah, because bw'otabeera musanyufu ojja kukola cake eveemu
ng'enyize
nga tewooma. On a serious note.
Hey. So
bw'obeera mu bakery kati nga wano obeera
smiling.
Yeah. Kati ejjemu cake yaffe, this is just a cake board. Bw'oba oyine a plate as esowaani oteekako cake yaffe. Tewali lwekwaso nti kino si kirina.
Kyonna gwe kijje.
Kijjemu ka cake kaffe akalungi. I pray abalabi ba Spark TV abanaakalaba bwe bakalaba bakagezeeko. This is how it looks nice. Najijemu nga tupapa, but it's supposed to be.
No, but it's okay. Akawowo, just the aroma. Ooh, the cake aroma. Ebibala byaffe mbira
kati owulira ewunya nga zino cake zedda. Those functions we used to attend, they would have one flavor. I think yali eno. Ekirungi kya kati nti kati zeza kati zikundamu katono.
Yes.
Ekirungi kya zino cake bwe tuba tukola cake wano eza wedding. Tuwa kano kapaata akabeera waggulu tukawa couple ekasale ku anniversary. ate kabeera kachali kalamu. Do you believe that?
I know. Kama kachali
kalamu. Have you
for how long?
From now until they make 1 year. So we're going to cut our cake.
Yes, let's cut the cake. Pola mpola otutestingireko. Chief tester wangu olusi and wadde ntawanyako wano.
What are your cake? No cake. I have so much hope that you can't fail to eat this cake.
Oh, okay.
Waliwo abantu abagamba sirya cake, sirya sukari.
Yeah.
This is the cake. You can even reduce the sugar or you don't put it. It will still be as sweet. Oh, okay. It's a very nice cake. So this is how it looks like.
Oh, lovely. The fruit seems more visible.
It has that nice rich smell. It has that the natural taste of a cake. You're
just eating cream and flavor.
But cream. If you want a taste of a cake, this is the cake for you.
Yeah.
So they're going to test for us, since for me I've ever tested it. Nizo kubanga test kati najimanyira ngagenda balimba.
Okay.
So kako fruit cake cafe.
And makeup artist wa Tufumbe.
The beautiful makeup artist.
The beautiful, right? How can I forget?
That is very nice. It's sweet. It has a very nice scent. And it is soft.
Okay, so guys, to the moment of truth, so manyo ngeje tuchikolamu ebera tusokana testinga muko ne batugambe kigenda masoso nenga tunaba kufuluma wano. Twagala mulungi tugambe last in case you have anything byagala tugamba.
Mwebale nnyo okutukyalira. I'm very happy that you came.
Yes.
I'm also glad tubayigiriza kano ka cake.
Yes.
I pray people who are watching can actually try it out. One last word from me is as like I said, nkola nnyo mu bintu bya happy places nga bw'okimanya abantu ba cake tetukolera mu spaces ezinyiivu. We are always in happy spaces. We are either in a wedding, anniversary, birthday. So it has taught me how to work in love. Always work with a genuine heart. Okay? Yeah, that's for me from today.
Mwebale nnyo bannange kugobera shweno ya Tufumbe atulaze engeri gy'oyinza okukolamu traditional cake ezabeerangawo edda era olya cake n'obeera nga cake yennyini fruitsy flavor yeeyo buli oba sobola ogirya agambe noba nga toyagala nnyo cake mboba ogamba cake ziwoomerera nnyo eno cake sobola ogirya ate osobola ogitereka mpaka mwaka mulamba naye mutogiteeka mu fridge gwe gibeera giteekaawo nga room temperature eri favorable. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much. Tulichiwatule ku the Indulge Cake Haven UG. Aremba jukiza tuno the show is brought to you by Chiko Mchuzi Mix. Jukira osobola kugula Chiko Pirao masala genda mu Chiko bosubule oba ku maduuka oba oyina akadaala gula Chiko kozesa Chiko mu fumbiro ku muchere owomere. From me to you until next time. Bye.
Cheers.